So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
So for today's video, pag-aaralan naman natin kung ano nga ba yung pagkakaiba at kung paano gamitin ang lose, lost, loss, and lose. So lose is a verb and it is used when you are not able to find something. Ibig sabihin, merong nawawala or maaring mawala. Okay, so for example, if I lose this money, my parents will be very angry. You will lose your stamina when you are old. It may also refer to fail to succeed in a game, okay? Or in Filipino, pagkatalo, okay? So, for example, if we lose this game, we're out for the rest of the season. Yung lost naman is the past tense of the verb lose. So, when something is already missing, or in Filipino, nawala na, okay? For example, I'm not able to find my car keys. I think I have lost it. He lost his job during the pandemic. And it may also refer to already failed to succeed in a game. Okay? Past tense ng lose. Okay? So in Filipino, natalo na talaga siya. Okay? So, for example, the Miami Heat lost to Sacramento Kings last night. Loss, on the other hand, is the fact or process of losing something or someone. Ibig sabihin sa Filipino, pagkawala. Okay? So, for example, I am sorry for your loss. My company cannot bear another loss. And yung lose naman is an adjective, okay, which is used to describe something that is not tight. Or in Filipino, maluwag. Okay, so for example, you can tighten the loose screw with my screwdriver. She's wearing a loose pants and shirt. So I hope marami kayo natutunan sa video na ito. Please like, comment, and subscribe.